I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal, and as you can see, Laguna Tools has brought out a new line of dust collection, and their industrial design looks awesome. But more important than that, their performance is even better. Let me tell you about the P Flux 1. Laguna has completely redesigned their dust collection line, and the P Flux 1 is a perfect example of their new engineering and top-of-the-line features. The P Flux 1 is powered by a 1.5 horsepower motor that is mounted on a super strong steel plate. It's wired for 110 volts at 18.5 amps, and the motor spins at 3,450 RPM, developing 900 shop cubic feet per minute as measured in a shop setting. It's driven by a 13.5-inch impeller that puts dust into the 25-gallon capacity drum. Laguna has redesigned their control panels as well, and the P Flux 1 comes equipped with a remote control fob that allows you to control the machine from anywhere in the room. What are you controlling? Well, let me show you. Of course, there's an on and off button, but there are also status lights for the HEPA filter and for the drum. There's a button for you to activate the filter cleaning cycle, a button to activate the remote, and one to reset the system. And you can turn on a light to view how full the drum is. And speaking of cleaning cycles, the P Flux 1 has an automatic cleaning cycle that kicks in anytime you're running the machine for extended periods of time. The double paddles are driven by this motor right here. The dust collection drum is easy to remove and reinstall by means of a patented lift system. You can use the machine with a plastic bag liner or without. The drum has a window to tell you when the drum is empty, and it's illuminated in case it's difficult to see. There's a manual HEPA cleanout drum with a window to monitor the amount of fine dust. It's a snap to take it out and put it back on. And on top of all of that, there is an adjustable sensor that reports when the drum is full. Well, I've showed you a lot of the amazing features of the P Flux 1. There's more to see. You can go to rockler.com or lagunatools.com to learn more. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thank you for watching, and keep on making sawdust. But use a P Flux 1 to control it.